Grace and peace, everybody. Good morning to you all. This is a very unpolished, unscripted, one and done video. Now, you may have actually forgot something, and I don't hold it against you. We've had the Alec Baldwin case. We've had the Trump failed assassination attempt. We've had the RNC starting. We had the selection of J.D. Vance as vice president running mate. We've had so much stuff going on. Oh, yeah, don't forget the YSL judge got kicked off, and we have a new judge in that case. So, with all of that stuff going on, it is very, very possible that you forgot about the election interference case here in Fulton County. And if you did, I don't hold it against you because I almost forgot about it too. You forgot about Fani Willis. You might have forgotten about her name because it hasn't been mentioned that much. And now we've got some new updates on that. So I don't hold it against you that you forgot. So let me refresh your memory.
Welcome back to Season 4 of As the Peach Rots. In this suspenseful fourth season, we marinate the feeder of Georgia's political elite in the tangy vinegar of accountability. In a state where the odor of mendacity toxifies the air, our perspicacious team of chatroom investigators is on a mission to peel back the layers of deceit and uncover the truth. From backroom deals to embezzlement scandals, no stone is left unturned in our pursuit of justice. But as tensions rise and alliances shift, who can be trusted in the Peach State? Join us for a season ripe with virality, where even the fruit isn't safe from corruption, because sometimes the juiciest scandals are right under your nose.
Shout out again to We Watch YouTube for that fantastic intro. Yeah, so Fani Willis has been off the radar for quite some time. And I mean, in a way, we've been talking about her tacitly through the YSL case, because of course it is her DA office that is suing and pressing charges against Young Thug. But ultimately, we haven't seen Fani Willis in front of a camera in a while, and we probably haven't heard her name mentioned that often. So when I ran across this, I was pleasantly surprised. I said, oh, she is still around. What is this, Jason? I'm glad you asked. The Court of Appeals, well, you know the disqualification was punted up to the Court of Appeals here in Georgia. And basically, Boots and Grandpa, the Trump team, all were making the plea that Fani Willis and the DA, the Fulton County DA's office, should be removed from the case. Okay, so let us continue. The Courts of Appeal of the state of Georgia, we got all of the defendants, Roman and Schaefer, Cheeley, Meadows, Trump, and that name sounds familiar, Latham, Giuliani, as well as Clark. Now, what is this about? Well, on yesterday, the 16th of July, the appellant's requests for oral arguments in the above styled case are hereby granted. If any party decides to waive oral argument and not appear, that party shall notify the clerk, opposing counsel, and co-counsel of that fact in advance. Watch this. It is further ordered that the above style cases be placed on the December 5th, 2024 calendar at 10 a.m. before the 2nd Division Brown, Markle, and Land. Counsels are directed to report to the courtroom at 10 a.m. on the day to check in with the clerk, and is signed by the clerk on the 16th of July. Jason, what's the big issue? The big issue is this is 4 years and a month after the election of 2020 and a month after the 2024 election. This case is going absolutely, positively nowhere. They basically have just wasted their time. They've wasted better than a year. I guess you want to say about a year, give or take. I think they started this one in January. Yeah, it's about a year. So they've wasted all the time. Nothing's going to come of this. If Trump is elected, you know it's done. It's a wrap. If Biden is elected, he's won twice. They don't care. This was all lawfare to start with. They don't want to. They're not going to put that man in jail. They know he's not going to go to jail. They know that. Just like they knew in New York. That's why they punted the sentencing. The sentencing is going to be like a week before the election, and people have already been doing early voting. So it doesn't matter anymore. It's a wrap. Lawfare, whatever it is you want to call it, it's over. So I ran across that and I was like, man, I cannot believe I'd kind of forgot about Fani Willis. I can't believe this, but here we are nonetheless. So thank y'all so much for stopping by this morning. I see you, Mark. Shout out from the Harrisburg campus. Detox is in the building. Good to see you as well. Thank you so much, Q. Good to see you, Q. Thank you so much. Corruption never stops, Tina, and you are 100% correct on that truth. For sure. Hey, there's Shar in the building. Shar, sorry about this early morning shenanigans. And we do have a live stream in a few minutes too. So I know. What do we got? Good folk in here. I do want to thank you all, everybody who's been rocking with me during the RNC. That's been pretty long. There's been some long nights, but I appreciate everybody who's rocked with me. Yesterday was there were so many speeches. My goodness. I think when the smoke cleared, I think I was at 37. No, I'm sorry, 27 speeches. That's a lot. But I want to thank everybody who's been rocking with me. At 10 o'clock, we're going to just do a recap real quick. And then I'm going to give you my 5 best or favorite speeches from day 2. I'm working on the one from day 1. I'm just kind of behind. But I want to thank y'all so much for that. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, for all the encouragement, all the support, being a part of the best live chat on the planet, all that good stuff. I really do appreciate it. So I'm going to see you all in about 45 minutes. So I'm going to get rocking and popping. I'll see you all soon. Grace and peace. Take care.